Latest, Tesla FSD starts rolling out to customers. Tesla has begun rolling out its full self-driving FSD Supervised v12.4.1 to select customers. With the version featuring the highly anticipated removal of the steering wheel nag, FSD v12.4.1 began rolling out to a small group of customers on Friday night, after Tesla CEO Elon Musk said a few days ago that the version would soon be going out to some external customers over the weekend. Instead of using the steering wheel nag, which has long been a complaint of many regular FSD users, the system will now rely more heavily on the cabin camera driver monitoring system to maintain driver attention. When full self-driving supervised is enabled, the driver monitoring system now primarily relies on the cabin camera to determine driver attentiveness, writes Tesla in the release notes for the update. This enhancement is available on vehicles equipped with a cabin camera, and only when the cabin camera has clear and continuous visibility of the driver's eyes. E.g., the camera is not occluded, there is sufficient cabin illumination, and the driver is looking forward at the road ahead and not wearing sunglasses, a hat with a low brim, or other objects covering the eyes. Tesla preps its API for robotaxi with two new features. In a post on X on Friday night, responding to some of the first users receiving the version, Musk said that users can expect the level of polish to improve considerably with each point release. On Wednesday, Musk also said that the software version includes a massive number of changes and could arguably be dubbed FSD v13 instead. Tesla employees began receiving FSD v12.4.1 earlier this week, to which Musk said that the system was nearly getting to the point where it would take more than a year of driving to require a human intervention, at least once certain known bugs were fixed. The news also comes as Tesla has been on an all-out offensive for FSD Supervised. A few months ago, Tesla began offering free one-month trials of the system when customers purchased a vehicle, along with mandatory test drives with the software. Tesla has also set a date for the unveiling of its robotaxi platform in August, along with sharing a teaser of its upcoming ride-sharing platform. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.